Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to make a screenshot of our Huawei P60 Pro phone and how to disable or enable this shortcut. To take a screenshot, just simply use your knuckle and knock 2 times on the screen. The screenshot is now taken. Screenshot is here. We can rename it or save it or delete it. To disable this shortcut, we have to go to accessibility features here, shortcuts and gestures, take screenshot, knock twice on the screen with a knuckle. This function is enabled. We can change it a little bit, write a circle or an S, or simply disable this function by tapping here. That is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.